What's up, guys? Super excited for today's video, but also a little bit sad. So we'll start with the excited first. So I don't even remember how many years ago it's been, but I do know splatter paint was super popular at the time of me seeing this setup. I saw this truck rocking this setup first time on Google, and dude, I was like, holy crap, I need it. But I've never had a truck that I could fit them on. The sad part is the mud grabs are coming off of Chomper, which if you know me, I've had these on here for like 2 years now, which is completely unheard of. I never keep setups for that long, but that is just a testament to how much I love them on here. Honestly, Chomper is peak. I could drive this for the rest of my life and be perfectly happy if I didn't have to continuously make videos, because if I don't, I sell the truck. So we don't want to sell Chomper. We want to keep Chomper. So we got to keep doing stuff to it. By the end of this video, it's going to blow your freaking socks off. You're not even going to think the same tire is being used, because I bought 20x14s. Yes, I know, I'm 10 years late. They're now old school, guys. They're now old school. They're not outdated. They're old school. 20x14s, we're going to bring them back. They're going to be awesome. We're stretching the freaking mud grabs on 14 wides today. We're literally going to be doubling the width of our wheel today. Honestly, Chomper, you deserve a little bit more respect than this. I apologize if I do you dirty, but one last look with the LTZ rips and the mud grabs. Let's run some B-roll on the 22s and streets. Finally picked up our new wheels, and if y'all remember from the last frame or two, the 35 1250 graps, they look big, beefy, and wide, right? Well, that's until you stick them next to a freaking 14 wide. Holy crap. This tire is going to look so much bigger on these wheels, and of course it's going to be bringing the sidewalls out instead of sucked in like they currently are. So probably going to have a little bit of stretch, but it's not going to be ricey or anything like that. I think it's going to look super freaking good. These wheels have grown on me tremendously. I really am leaning towards just throwing some 35-inch X comps or swampers on here. I think they fit Chomper pretty daggum good. This is 2 times in 1 week we've been to Chico's. They need to get me on some kind of program for real. It must be done. Gosh, no! Dude, how sick is this? We got double LBZs, I think. The Cat Eye over here with that bed on it. Got the Sierra over here with that bed on it. Both of them same color. Holy crap, they are out front and they look absolutely insane. Oh my gosh, yes. I know the wind is wrecking y'all, but look at these freaking tires, dude. I told y'all they were gonna be completely different, and that is definitely the case. They look like twice the size. It's absolutely insane. Only charged me 120 bucks, which I am super grateful for. Hopefully they recognize my face, because I always be up in there, not charging me crazy like they have once before with the 26s. I might just have to put them on Chomper just for the sake of it. It definitely is not going to turn. But dude, they're so freaking massive now. It's crazy. Like, those tires were on Chomper, and now they are way too freaking big. I mean, just, that's ridiculous. All right, guys. Well, honestly, I've already filmed, edited, and uploaded the video that I originally filmed with Larry. But thanks to this overcast day, I think I'm redoing it because this thing looks absolutely killer. Dude, 20 by 14s, 35 1250 mud graps. Overcast day, Larry's green, looking insane, even though it's now dirty when it was clean before. Dude, this truck is freaking huge. Like, the cab is like not that much taller than Gamble, even though it's just leveled. But the freaking ground clearance is nutty on this thing. It's literally insane. Yes, we do have some camber going on because we haven't gotten into line. I've still got to replace a few more things before we go spend the money on that. But dude, it's so cool seeing this setup because like I said, I don't even know how many years ago it was I saw the setup with they're actually XD Riots, and that's why I bought those for my Tacoma, but I went 20 by 10s, or with mine 12s. I think mine were 10s, 20 by 10s, yeah. I chickened out on 12 wides, and the ones that I dreamed about were 14 wides, and now here we are. American off-road 20 by 14s, and the graps stretched ever so slightly. Dude, it looks so freaking good. I don't know, I'm so torn because I love Larry on chrome wheels, especially since we did the chrome bezel. I think we're gonna have to go back with the color match one. I just love the freaking black wheels on Lair Bear. I don't know what it is. Even when we went and put the 24 by 12s and 33s on here. Did we do those? Or was it the 22 12s? I don't remember. We put some black wheels on here back when it was leveled. And it looked amazing. And now it definitely still looks amazing. Holy crap, it's so freaking wide. So obviously the adapters on the front and then 2.5-inch spacers and the adapters on the rear. You got like over half of the tire sticking outside the fender. Let's take a step back. Dude. Holy crap. And y'all, shout out to everybody that has been showing me unconditional love on TikTok about Larry. A lot of y'all have made these videos saying you didn't even care about these trucks or trucks in general until you started watching my videos. And dude, that is the most complimentary thing ever. I can't thank y'all enough. That's so freaking cool. So every time I see them, a lot of people will tag y'all, say like tag LMF. That's just my thing on TikTok. Tag me. And I don't get on there much, but when I do, I'll go on to the mentions and I'll try to go to all the videos, which it's just super freaking cool. 10th Gen Boys holding it down on TikTok. It's so freaking cool. So once again, huge shout out to y'all. I truly do appreciate it. It kind of boggles my mind for real. But anyways, I don't want to ramble on too much. Larry is sitting like a freaking dream. Dude, that right there, that's the money right there. It looks so good. The freaking graps, the light dusting and gravel on them. Holy crap. All right, well, I ain't gonna keep rambling. Y'all comment down below. Let me know if you'd like to see them on Betty or denim. I'll probably do it anyways, but if y'all drop comments, I'll definitely do it sooner. So. All right, let me think. What's an obtainable number but not really realistic? Let's say 10,000 likes, and I'll come back and send Larry through this. Well, I say through it. I'll send Larry into this. Whether or not it comes out, that's very questionable. But 10,000 likes, I'll do it.